Good evening, everybody. Here is our first day to a new segment on our vlog. My bad. We're not sure what we're gonna call it yet. This is a trial run, but it's cooking with a blended dream. Hashtag Taylor White. You all know, as you all know, well, you probably will know in the beginning on our opening. For my wife's birthday, January is her month, Lectuary. Woo woo woo. I ordered her the Hello Fresh food delivery. Lex, come over on my shoulder so I can see you. I ordered her the Hello Fresh food delivery service. So how it works is, you can order for 4 people. You can order up to 5 meals a day. 5 meals a week. We're doing 3 meals weekly. And what we're going to do is just showcase twice a month, maybe 3 times a month. And if everything goes well, we're going to think about going live once a month, cooking. This thing is step by step. It was something that I wanted to do for my wife, and I wanted to give to the channel, enhance our channel, and something for her. Something for her and something that we could do together. They have great meals. When I tell you they have everything packed in these boxes and measured to the T, they do. They give you pictures so you can do things step by step. They give you an app to download where you can see it live. So tonight is our first one, and we are doing the
that one is right there.
The rapid stir fry beef and broccoli. I think that's yakisoba noodles with yakisoba noodles. And we're going to take you along on this journey with us. Hopefully you like it. Remember, it's our first time, so we might be a little bit slow. Because we're going to be reading and looking and trying to mince and all of this other stuff. So we hope you guys like it. Come join us on our journey.
But before we start the process, we gotta let y'all know this is not a sponsored video. These opinions and views are just of our own, and we're just experimenting. So it's not sponsored. It's just something we want to do.
Something we wanted to do.
Shout out to Asia from New York, New Jersey.
That's
the
right.
Hello Fresh representative. We had to give you another shout out, girl.
She was great. She was patient. We asked 1,001 questions. Well, I asked 1,001 questions. And so, like I said, we're enhancing our channel. HelloFresh seems like a great company. We read the reviews and all of the different delivery companies that deliver your food and everything to you. And HelloFresh kind of stood out. Thanks to our friend Melissa.
Yeah.
She helped us get our first box, and we just decided to run with it. And it's reasonable. It's about $60 a week. It's about $60 a week. But if you guys stay tuned and follow us, we're going to show you how to get your first box with 3 meals free.
But you gotta stay tuned in. We got a promo code for y'all.
FREE. That spells free. And nothing like 3 free meals with good food. This week we got chicken, we got beef, we got shrimp. We got 3 whole meals in this box. So stay tuned. Come follow us on this journey. We'll be back.
So guys, this is the smaller box that everything came in
For
this particular meal. This is the book with the pictures and all of the step-by-step instructions on it. The babe is going to show you the ingredients.
Okay. It came with the scallions.
Okay.
It came with the garlic, the garlic. It also came with the ginger. It came with the sesame oil. That's the sesame oil right there. It came with a little thing of ketchup. It came with soy sauce. All the soy sauce. It came with I think it's hoisin sauce. Hoisin sauce. If I'm pronouncing it wrong, someone just tell me. It's okay. It came with broccoli. I know that. It came with the sirloin tips from HelloFresh. It came with cornstarch. We're gonna need cornstarch and the yakisobe noodles. And then all the last but not least is sriracha. This is sriracha sauce. And we have our own stuff. We have our, I know, don't complain about our butcher's board. I got to get butcher's oil to seal it. But today, this is just going to have to work. And you have your own stuff. And it even shows you how to peel the ginger with the spoon. So, let's get started. First thing we're going to do is wash everything, or wash off the vegetables. Like, we're going to wash off the ginger, the scallions, and the cloves. So we'll be back after that. We all know how to wash. Right.
Probably need to cut them smaller, huh?
You can try. Ready?
So that's baby.
And I'm mincing the garlic. We could have used our grater, but when I try to use the grater, it was great, but we couldn't see the garlic. So we didn't want to ruin the recipe. So now I'm mincing it. This is I think this is a great thing for families to do. I think we will try a recipe or two with our sons. Right now, we're just trying to focus on us getting this together. This is the ginger. The video also showed us how to peel the ginger with a spoon. Cool. I guess I could have used my potato peeler, but just trying different ways. If you don't have a potato peeler, got yourself a metal spoon or a knife. But as a little girl, when I used to help my mom peel the potatoes, I used to have more potato than peeling. My mom always said. So,
Hold on, guys.
So this spoon method works, and I'm gonna have to call my mom and tell her all these years. My mom's an amazing cook. She could have told me I could have used the spoon, and maybe we would have had more potatoes than we did peel. Because I used to have, when I got finished, a whole potato. Peeling, it would look like this little piece, and it would be like a whole potato. I can't peel. And so this states next, wash and dry, blah, 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 ginger, grate, peel and mince the ginger. Oh, okay.
And it's so funny because when we was getting ready to start this, the Hello Fresh commercial came on.
Babe, would you like to?
Yeah, hold on, guys.
Now, you guys, we're moving into mixing the sauces. My wife's gonna do that part. Sesame oil. Okay. So now my wife is mixing the ingredients, like the sauces. Show what it is, Lex.
Oh, the ketchup.
Well, they don't know that. Remember, we're trying to...
I know. I'm sorry, y'all. This is the ketchup. Sorry.
1 tablespoon of ketchup. What else?
Then I need soy sauce. That is not that. That's this.
How many you say of that?
1 tablespoon.
Okay.
I think that's what I gave you. So many. So 1 tablespoon of this.
That good?
Soy sauce. Gluten free. Hold on, because it's not.
It's good? Okay. And everything smells so good.
It does. Now I need
How much of the other sauce? Oil?
This hoisin sauce.
Uh-huh.
I guess that's how you say it. 1.5. Oh, 1.5 tablespoons. So this is. That's the hoisin sauce. I don't know if that we saying it right. Hold on, y'all.
Alright.
So we did say this is a hoisin sauce. We need 1.5 tablespoons of this.
And we have been watching the app for the video, but we're using the phone right now because we didn't change out the battery on the camera. So this will have to work for now.
Hold on, y'all. This ain't coming out.
Might need to use a spoon or something, babe. It's gonna be too big. Use the bottom of the spoon. Flip it over.
Ew, it's jelly-like.
What you gonna do when you speed it up as you're doing it?
Yeah.
Alright, that's one. Alright, you said 1.5, right?
Yeah. I need a half one now.
What else did it tell you?
Whoops. That's just extra water.
That's it.
That's it.
And we're gonna get a smaller whisk. I thought we had one, but
Okay. And the step 2 or whatever was the broccoli added to the boiling water. Babe already did that, so we're just waiting for that to cook. I probably should just do this with a spoon, huh?
probably. It's okay, babe. I applaud you.
This stuff smells good, okay?
It all smells good. And Alexis is very skeptical because she doesn't like onions. She doesn't like any of that stuff. So I think this is going to be good exposing her to a lot of different things because we are about to go on quite a few vacations and everything is paid for, food, and I want her to experience everything. But we'll talk about those trips in another vlog. Okay?
It's not y'all.
Ooh. Okay, you guys, we've already put the meat in the bowl, the beef.
What is
Sirloin
tongue
tips?
that, baby?
Oh, sorry, I forgot the tongue. You might need that pink spoon too to mix it, babe.
Ooh, this broccoli smells good.
Only my wife sings for food. Put it on the cotton bar, babe. All
Only
right.
your wife do what?
Sing for the good to.
You got salt?
Yeah, there's salt right there. Go ahead and mix in the cornstarch.
Oh, cornstarch, y'all.
That came as well, HelloFresh. Courtesy of HelloFresh.
Oh man,
Okay.
it's not stuck to the back.
Okay. You're doing good.
I think that's it.
Okay. Now go ahead and get the salt. No, you're gonna sprinkle for taste, like you'll be cooking. So when you do it, babe,
Put some on this, right?
you could it's just sprinkle for taste. Look, just look.
Ooh.
Good for taste. Now do the pepper. We like grounded fresh pepper, and I do most of the cooking. So I'm excited watching the wife do it. Take the top off, babe.
Which part of the top?
Let me see.
Hold on, y'all. I'm struggling.
Hold this, babe. And then you're just gonna look.
I know how to grind it now.
All right, well, go ahead and grind
I just couldn't figure out which part of the top.
Keep grinding. And it doesn't say how much pepper. Let's see.
I keep going.
That looks like it might be enough. Mix it up a little bit, babe. For the spoon, you want to mix it.
You got
You're doing a good job.
thing ready for this?
No, in a minute, I guess I have to get it warm. Like hit up the oil. But we'll see in a minute.
Okay. You think it needs it? I think.
Might be enough, babe. What does it look like? Yeah, I think
Looks
that's it.
seasoned enough to me. Look good to you? Look good to you?
Looks pretty good to me. This is her finishing touch for the steak tips. And we'll get back to you in a second. You have to cook it to how well you like it. Some people like it medium well. Now, if I was out eating dinner, I like my steak this medium well, or well, basically I like my steak pink in the middle with a little bit of blood. Just what I like to eat it. But I make our children, when they get steak, I make them get theirs well done. And Alexis doesn't hardly get steak, she just eats mine.
Why you gotta just put me out there like that?
Love, baby, love. We'll get right back to you. So we're gonna set this aside, and now we're gonna add in. This is what it looks like. Real life. That's what it looks like in the book. Real life in the book. Real life. How they did it. I'm proud of you. Good job.
Good job.